Welcome to Scentific, the first contact-free, scent-based biofeedback device for better sleep and relaxation. Inside the box, you'll find the controller, the scent dispenser, the COM cable, the power supply, the mounting bracket, and your user manual. Place the controller on a stable surface near your bed. Connect the cable. Mount the scent dispenser above your pillow. Plug in the power supply and press the button to turn it on. On first startup, the setup wizard will guide you step by step. Next, insert the scent cartridge. Each cartridge lasts up to 30 days. The system will run a short scent test to confirm it's working. Scentific works automatically. The device gently releases scent during sleep and when breathing cessation is detected. This guides you back to natural nasal breathing. Each morning, a simple sleep report appears on the screen. It shows your sleep quality, time asleep, and number of breathing events. Scentific. No mask, no surgery, just breathe.